In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master timeline in Asana using the new version. This process will take approximately 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, let's start by heading over to the Asana website. If you already have an account, simply click on Login and you'll be navigated to your dashboard. In case you don't have an account yet, don't worry, there's a Get Started button if you'd like to create a new account, or you can try it for free to see if it suits your needs. Once you're inside, we'll initiate the setup of a new project. To do this, open Asana and look for the plus button conveniently located in the left sidebar. Clicking this will allow you to create a new project. At this stage, you'll need to choose Timeline as your project view. Now, you could start with a blank canvas or select a template if that's easier for you. Naming your project is crucial for organization. You might choose something straightforward like Master Timeline to keep everything in order. Don't forget to select the appropriate workspace and tailor your project settings to suit your objectives. Now that our project is set up, let's add some tasks and milestones to bring it to life. Click on Add Task to begin populating your timeline. For each task you add, make sure you include a clear title, set the due dates, designate assignees, and provide any other necessary details. This clarity helps everyone involved understand what's needed. Marking major goals is just as important, so leverage the milestones feature to highlight critical points. These milestones will serve as pivotal checkpoints in your project timeline, indicating significant achievements or deadlines that need your attention. Moving forward, it's time to assign dates and dependencies. For each task, clearly define the start date and end date to keep everything on track. As you map out your workflow, some tasks will depend on others. To establish these connections, click on the relevant task and navigate to the dependencies section. Here you can link tasks together, illustrating the flow of work and ensuring a smooth process. Organization is key, so let's talk about categorizing tasks by sections. Group related tasks together to maintain clarity, using labels such as in progress or completed. To add these sections, simply click on Add Section at the top of your task list, making it easy to keep everything neatly organized. Flexibility is essential in project management. With Asana, you can make quick adjustments by dragging and dropping tasks on the timeline. This feature is particularly useful when priorities shift or unexpected delays occur, allowing you to make necessary changes without hassle. Lastly, don't forget the power of teamwork. Collaborate efficiently by sharing your timeline with your team. This ensures that everyone stays aligned with the project's goals. By assigning tasks and setting notifications, you can keep all team members updated and aware of any changes. And that's it for creating a master timeline in Asana. Follow these steps for a streamlined, efficient project management process.